For me, my bucket name is Orchestra HQ dbt output, and my key prefix is dbt. I click next, and then I click save and exit. I don't want to configure alerting just yet. Finally, I click run. Orchestra's serverless system is now creating the relevant task and running it in AWS for us. We can click on the pipeline, and we can see it's in running state. We can click it again, and we can see the task that it created, the dbt-core EC2 SSM run script task. Now the pipeline is completed, we can click the task and click the platform link to view the logs in the AWS console. Here we can see it succeeded. We click the instance we want, and then we can look at our output. And we can see that we successfully ran dbt with our various models and our upload to S3 succeeding. Finally, we can go back to the Orchestra platform, close this, and open the Explore Lineage tab. And here we can see our dbt materializations and tests. And that's it. That's how you run dbt-core on EC2 using Orchestra.